Why did you say you kissed the ground I walked on? I ought to be killed, killed, killed. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I wish I could rest. I wish I could rest. Is he also here? Oh, but it doesn't matter to me anymore. He didn't believe in me. He was laughing at my dreams. He didn't believe in the theater. And little by little, I stopped believing me. I became trivial, commonplace. I was acting without thinking, without feeling. I didn't know what to do with my hands. I couldn't control my voice. Can you imagine what does it mean to act badly? I'm a seagull. Why? Ah, you remember a story? You remember? You shot a seagull and you left it at my feet. And he came, he took a seagull and he said, oh, a subject for a short story? Imagine a girl like you living on the shores around the lakes, and then once a man come and destroys her. I'm a seagull, I'm a real seagull. No, you know what? What I was talking about. About the acting. Now I'm different. I act with delight, with rapture. And when I'm on stage, I feel drunk and I think I'm wonderful. I'm wonderful and strong. And now I'm walking around here and thinking that every day I become stronger. And at an hour walk, I was thinking before that fame and glory, that's important, but that's not true. You know what's important? The longing to hear you, to suffer, to understand another people, to feel them, to be deep. And now I bear your cross. And when I think of my face, I don't suffer so much. And when I keep thinking of my calling, I'm not afraid of life anymore. I'm not afraid.